My name is Joe Gowan. I've lived here 18 years. I actually heard it from a friend of mine, Tommy Coleman, lives on another block here and stuff like that. He had a wet basement, so he recommended Chris to come over and just take a look. After 18, 19 years of sucking water in the basement, we got clay over here, so the groundwater is coming up from the bottom as well as coming through the sides, block foundation. So just used to be about four inches of water and stuff like that, and then finally I put in a leach field down to one side to take it off the hill a little bit to help. That knocked it down about 1 inch to 2 inches of water, depending on how bad the storm is. So Chris came in, did a 45-degree angle on the corners, took the pressure off the foundation, and also put a sub pump in the middle and indoor drainage to push everything to the sub pump. I just liked the way Chris was professional 100% as soon as he walked in the door. It was straight up forward, no BS. It was a little weird at first. You got the Spanish guys coming in and his workers that were awesome. And the one lead guy, I can't remember his name, he was professional as well and straightforward what was gonna happen. Took him like 3-4 days. They pinned up barriers, like plastic barriers to keep the dust down and everything like that, but other than that, they actually were amazing. 100% no water in my basement or house at all. I've already contacted other friends that have wet basements, stuff like that, told them about Chris, explained the situation. Do not hesitate whatsoever. He'll work with you on the cost. It's not about money, it's about fixing your house and saving your investment. And it's worth it 150%. After that first storm and you're not down there sucking water, yelling at the wife, yelling at the kids to help you dump the buckets, it alleviates a hell of a lot of stress out of your house and your home. If I would have known that he had the options where you could make payments and stuff like that, or have a loan or something like that to help with the cost to get it done, I would have did this years ago. They also have a service plan that'll come out every single year, different tiers from like 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, that they will maintenance and come out and make sure that the product's still working. So like 5-10 years down the road, you don't think it gets gummed up or something. I think it's pretty amazing. They'll come out, do a test, do a flush to make sure it's working properly so it doesn't recreate another flooding incident in the home. If you've got a problem 24/7, the girls in the office as well as Chris also is ready to answer any questions 24/7. I gotta tell you, I'm 100% recommend him 150%.